Hello everyone, it's Tauni. I wanted to record this video for all of you to help you better understand what the Kiss and Tell program is. So Kiss and Tell is a newly launched program by SeneGence, and it is a preferred customer program. It's going to give you a way to save on products and to earn credits towards future products. So I'm going to explain all the details and you can decide if this might be something that you're interested in. Okay, so first off, let me just tell you the basics, the quick rundown of what Kiss and Tell is. So Kiss and Tell is a preferred program that has extra benefits and perks for you as a customer. You're gonna get 10% off every order, no matter the size, 10% off all the time. Now, if you reach over $100 with your order, you're also going to get free shipping. So that's an awesome perk. It's going to save you some money. The other cool thing is you're going to have exclusive promotional offers that are just for you as a Kiss and Tell member. To give you an example of one of the promotions that SeneGence has offered for exclusively Kiss and Tell customers would be last month, they gave every order a free sample, no matter the order size. If you ordered over $100, you got to pick a beauty essential, which was like a beauty tool. And if you ordered over $150, you got a free retired LIPSENSE color included in your order. So awesome. Such a great promotion that was exclusively for Kiss and Tell customers. They've also done discounts on products that are exclusively for Kiss and Tell customers as well. So you just get a few extra benefits as a Kiss and Tell customer. So now let's talk Kiss credits. So what are Kiss credits? It's credits you can use towards future purchases to get yourself a discount. One Kiss credit is equal to one retail dollar. So the first way that you can get Kiss credits is by you personally ordering $100 for 3 months in a row. That's gonna earn you 15 Kiss credits. Now, something that's super cool about the Kiss and Tell program is you can also earn Kiss credits by referring your friends, family, people you know, coworkers, whoever you know, to SeneGence products. So all you do is you'll have your own custom link, you send them your referral link, and you're gonna get 15 credits as soon as they order $100 in their first month. So if you have friends and family that you know loves LIPSENSE or anything SeneGence related, it's a super cool program because you're gonna get rewarded for sharing things that you're already sharing, right? You get the reward for sending them to the website. You don't have to do any work. Literally, you send them your link, they're gonna go order, and as soon as they order $100 in their first month, you're gonna get 15 credits to go and use on products of your choice on the SeneGence website. So 2 ways to earn the credits: by you ordering 3 months in a row, and also by referring people if you choose. No obligation, of course, and you're not signing up to be a SeneGence distributor. So you're not signing up to sell, nothing like that. You're literally just signing up to get a discount on every order, the ability to get free shipping, and the ability to have exclusive promotions. So you might be wondering, what is the difference between a Kiss and Tell customer and a regular retail customer? So the main difference is a retail customer is gonna have more of that one-on-one interaction with the distributor. The distributor is going to be personally sending out your orders. If you like to message in, talk to your distributor more often, the retail customer is a great option for you. But if you'd prefer an easy website that you just go on and order and SeneGence, the company, fulfills the order for you, the Kiss and Tell program is a great program for you. That is a little bit of information about the Kiss and Tell program, where you can be a preferred customer for SeneGence products, including LIPSENSE, ShadowSense, anything your heart desires. Now let's talk cost. The Kiss and Tell program is $10 yearly. So you're not going to be auto charged without a warning first. They're going to let you know at the end of the year that you'll be charged another $10. This isn't an auto ship program, anything like that. It is a $10 yearly fee. But if you're watching this video during September of 2021, it is completely free to sign up as a Kiss and Tell customer. So it's a great time to try it. If you don't like it, you can decide to cancel your Kiss and Tell membership and go back to a retail customer at any time. Even if you decide to try it for 1 month and you're like, no, I like the one-on-one interaction with my distributor better, you can switch to a regular retail customer at any time. You don't have to continue to order through your Kiss and Tell link. I hope this video was helpful to you and helped you make the right decision for you as a customer of SeneGence products. If you have any questions, just be sure to comment them in the section below, in the comments below. Or in the description, you can find my number where you can text me with any of your questions at any time. Thanks and have a great day.